everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. Today I am unboxing something very important, and that is the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite Credit Card. Be sure to watch the very end of this video as I'll be telling you guys some of the benefits of this card and why I changed from the Chase Sapphire Reserve to this Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite Credit Card. If you guys aren't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went down, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It's gonna help me out a ton, and let me know in the comments down below which credit card you currently use. Without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing. First off, we gotta talk about this packaging for a credit card. I was expecting an envelope to come in the mailbox. It's definitely a pretty nice fancy package just for a credit card. I used to have my address here, but I ripped that off. On the side here, you can see there's a perforated area that's easy to tear away and open the box. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. You guys ready? My first time doing a credit card unboxing, so let's see how this goes. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, that tore away nicer than I expected. Look at that. Alright, that perforated area made opening this box a lot easier. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. You guys ready? I'm gonna give you guys the first look as usual. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at that. That is pretty fancy packaging for a credit card. I own a bunch of credit cards. I gotta say, this is the nicest packaging. Let's go ahead and see what's inside here. I love this black box. I guess it's another box. It says Bank of America here. It has this nice red tab on the side to it. Look at this. This has some substantial weight to it. I'm sure there's a lot more than just a credit card inside because it is a lot heavier. It is a nice box. Look at this. It has this metallic foiling that says Bank of America and this really nice red tab for me to open it on the side. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this box, all right? Give you guys the first look as usual. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What do you guys see? Look at that, all right. So upon opening, it says Premium Reward Elite. Thank you for choosing the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite Card, and more importantly, for choosing us. We value your relationship, Bank of America Preferred Banking. I like it. The unboxing experience, as soon as you open up, it makes you feel personable. It makes you feel like you made a right choice. So far, I gotta say, this unboxing experience is pretty special. It's like receiving a YouTube play button, right? That's pretty cool. Let's see what this red tab is about. I'm gonna open it and flip on the other side. Oh, okay. It comes with some stuff. Important document enclosed. We'll check that out in a bit. We'll put that aside. Client care comes with this booklet. It's the benefits and rewards. I'm sure it tells you all the benefits and rewards that this card has to offer. We'll be talking about that a little bit in detail in a bit, so be sure to watch the end of this video. Let's go ahead and see this card. Look at that. That's pretty nice. It's a black card. Let's try taking it out. Ooh. It's a black card. On the front it just says Bank of America that has a chip, and it has my name and all that stuff in the back, and it is a Visa card. So this is a pretty nice card. It has a nice weight to it, a little heavy. It is a metal credit card, so that's nice as well. Makes you feel a little fancy with a little bit of weight to it. You guys might be wondering what's so special about this credit card. Why did I go from the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which is a great card? A lot of people love the Chase Sapphire Reserve, to this Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite credit card. Let's first talk about the sign-up bonus for this credit card. They'll give you 75,000 bonus points when you use $5,000 within the first 90 days. And that is the equivalent to $750. So that's a pretty good deal. Many times a lot of people say you get more value when you use that points and redeem them for hotels and travel. Make sure to use the points and transfer them to the transfer partners. However, the one big downside of this credit card is that it doesn't have transfer partners. A lot of people prefer the Chase Sapphire Reserve card is because there are a lot of transfer partners. You're able to take your points and transfer them at a better value to get better airplane tickets or better hotel stays. Where the Bank of America credit card ecosystem, they don't have transfer partners. So that is the one huge downside that I see a lot of people that don't really like the Bank of America cards is because they don't have transfer partners. Next off, let's talk about the annual fee on this credit card. This credit card comes with a hefty annual fee of $550, which is a lot of money. But when you do have to pay a big annual fee like that on credit cards, many times it would come with a lot of benefits. This card will give you 2 points for every dollar spent on dining and traveling and 1.5 points per dollar on everything else. So that is one of the benefits. Another benefit of this card is that it gives you $300 in travel credit incidentals. However, that is different from the Chase Sapphire Reserve. I know Chase Sapphire Reserve also give you a $300 credit. What's good about the Chase Sapphire Reserve is that $300 in credit, you don't have to use it within the Chase portal. You could just use on anywhere, any website, as long as it's in the travel category, it will credit it back to you. However, with this, the 300 travel incident is very specific categories. However, the main reason I got this credit card is because of the Priority Pass. Yes, I know a lot of other credit cards out there has a Priority Pass as well, but this Priority Pass is a little bit different from all the other ones. In total, you get 4 Priority Pass memberships, and like I said, they don't have to be authorized users on this card, which is huge. Another huge reason, and one of the main reasons why I transferred to this credit card is because you get restaurant benefits with the Priority Pass. I know a lot of other credit cards used to have the restaurant benefits, such as the Chase Sapphire Reserve, Capital One Venture credit card. They all had the restaurant benefits, but as of 2024, July 1st, they were cut from the restaurant benefits. However, now only a select few credit cards still have that restaurant benefits. And the Bank of America Premium Reward Elite credit card is one of them that still has the restaurant benefits. You guys might be wondering what the restaurant benefits are. So at select airports, select restaurants, you are able to get $28 of credit. And that $28 credit is per calendar day. It's not even 24 hours, which means I could work a night flight, so get my dinner before my flight, and come back the next day and get breakfast of $28. So you can see, for someone that works in the airline industry or who's at the airport a lot, this card might be really worth it. And the Priority Pass restaurant is not talked a whole lot in a lot of YouTube channels or a lot of forums. You have to do a lot of digging around to find out which card still has the Priority Pass restaurants. Let me tell you, there are a lot of credit cards out there that does provide the Priority Pass, but just not the restaurant benefits. And even when you call the credit cards to ask them about Priority Pass restaurants, they don't even know what you are talking about. But for me, I know that this Bank of America credit card does have the Priority Pass restaurants, and that is the main reason why I switched to the Bank of America Premium Reward Elites. I'm gonna go ahead and get this credit card set up for the Priority Pass restaurants. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and show you how powerful that Priority Pass restaurant really is. I'm gonna show you the menu and the foods that I order, and like I said, you get $28 of credit every calendar day. Another thing to think about is that you get 4 Priority Pass memberships with this credit card. If you just go to the Priority Pass website and buy a membership, that's gonna cost you around $550. However, the downside, if you just bought it at the Priority Pass website, is that you don't get to bring a guest. However, with this card, you are still able to bring a guest, and your guest would also get $28. So the Priority Pass on this card, I would say, is probably the best Priority Pass among all the other credit cards. But hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Hopes this gives you a little bit of insight to the Priority Pass and Priority Pass restaurants, as I know it's not talked a lot about in other videos. And let me know in the comments down below which credit card you have, and let me know what you think about it. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys to the restaurant, show you guys. You guys ready? I'll see you guys in a bit. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. I'm currently at the Party Pass restaurant at my airport, and I can confirm that the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite credit card does give me the Party Pass restaurants, which means it gives me $28 and I can bring a guest. So if I bring a guest, we both get $28 of credit. And what's great is everything on this menu right here is within $28, which means I can get anything on this menu and it is covered. So let's see what I ordered today. Another thing to note is that the $28 does not include tip. So be sure to add a little tip to give to your server if they do a good job. But that is great to know that the Bank of America card does have Priority Pass restaurants. That is a huge reason why I changed to this card. So let's go ahead and see what I order and what I can get for the $28. You guys ready? All right, the food came. I got the Greek salad with the steak on top, and it looks so good. And this Party Pass is definitely a really good deal. And like I said, you're able to bring guests along with you.